Isn't it time you took your mind for a run? Ambra Personal Computers. Phone 0800 386 386.
Hello again. I bought a new computer that I do not need, but it was so nice. I just wanted it. So let's see here. And this is the original box it came in. That's the monitor. Oh yes! Look at this! Looks so nice! Monitor stand. Oh. Nice. Really strange with these things on top here. It's in a very nice condition. Some damage here, a little bit. It's very white. Some yellowing here. And of course the monitor is not white anymore. Ambra, that's a name I haven't heard about before. It looks so nice. 486. Let's boot, I hope. Yes. All right. What do we have here? Not much. Let's go in the BIOS. Ambra. Nice. Delete didn't work. Well, I need to clean it up a bit. Open it up, check the hardware, read the manual and find some information online, and so on. And of course, in the end, copy over some games and install Windows and such. So I have done some research, and Ambra Computer Corporation was owned by IBM to sell low-cost computers to compete with PC clones. From what we can read in Wikipedia, they generally had fairly low specifications, with low-end processors, minimum memory and hard disk space. But I found an article of someone who owned an Ambra. He states, you could choose 386 or 486 processors. It was a fast machine and trounced the opposition in some magazine reviews. No one ever called it slow or ugly. And some Ambra computers also came with a very strange mouse. And for obvious reasons, they eventually changed the design of the mouse. It has a regular CR2032, right? Battery. So that's nice. I think it has some built-in cache here. I could install a Pentium CPU here also. A Pentium overdrive. I'm not sure if that is a specific CPU or if it's just a Pentium, I don't know. So I'm going to remove the hard drive here. Then just connect it to a USB adapter and copy over some games and Windows 3.1. I can't remember, or perhaps 3.0 for fun. Oh, I have to remove the whole. A little bit dusty here and there, but it is quite clean on the inside here. I'm not going to bother to clean it up here. So here's the USB adapter. That was very loose. It's like it doesn't fit. I found this ID extension cable. Oh. It has a pin where it's not supposed to be a pin. I'll just make a hole here. Okay, using a Dremel and a nail, I can just melt away. So I connected this hard drive to a Windows 95 machine and was able to copy over what I needed. I also found some RAM. I'm going to see if I can upgrade a bit here. I'll see if I can clean it up a bit. Did it help? I don't know. I think it did help a bit. I need to be careful with this one, because it can ruin the texture. It worked. Okay. 8 megabytes of RAM. F2 to run setup. I'm not sure, I can't remember. Or I didn't notice, but I think I had 4 megabytes and now I have 8. Nice. All right. Paintbrush. Yeah, this is very similar to 3.1. Now I want to see if I can play Doom, because I thought that I played Doom on my 486 back in the day, but I also had the 486 SX 25 MHz. So now let's see what happens. So this is a bit exciting. Did I really play Doom on the 486 SX or not? Oh, this is playable. For now at least. But the screen is very dark. Let's lower the resolution here. No PC speaker sound? No, I could have played this on my 486. Nice. What about Lion King? Lion King was released in 1994, but I'm almost certain I played it on my 486. Yeah. It's not as smooth as with a faster machine, but it's totally fine. Oops. Oh, I have sound. This is very smooth, of course. I have to say the monitor seems very nice. I like the PC speaker sounds. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy looking at this beautiful machine. I think it is the most beautiful machine that I own right now. And also a big thank you to Obsolete Archive on YouTube, because on his YouTube channel I found the advertisement for this computer. But anyway, I hope to see you next time.